At TWD Direct, our goal is to enhance your two-way radio experience. Whether it's supplying you with the most optimal system for your application, quickly repairing or programming new or used handhelds, or even simply finding a way to save you money through our trade-in program or our replacement options, we are here to make sure that you have what you need and within your budget. That's why TWD Direct has developed our own brand. From earpieces, batteries, chargers, and speaker mics, to even two-way radios, we believe in creating products that are affordable as well as effective. Our products are not only easier on your pocket, but are also compatible with as well as comparable options to the major brands. TWD Direct branded products are often used as an alternative to these major brand options and have proven themselves comparable and even preferred by customers. Spend less for more and maintain the quality of your two-way radio system with TWD Direct radios and accessories. For more information on our TWD Direct products, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or request a quote and we will get back to you.